Welcome back, guys. I'm going to look at Flamingo. So, Flamingo Finance, it's a DeFi platform on Neo. It's on Neo M3. So, it's a decentralized finance platform. Now, it's got some great features which rival many central exchanges, and we're just going to touch on a few of them. So, it's got a yield farming option, which you can see along the top here with all the APR. So, you've got some decent APR. We'll touch on onboarding your fiat. So there is an option to onboard your fiat through your Mastercard and your debit cards. So you can see there, and you can actually buy gas, BNEO, and FLM direct. So it's pretty handy, and that'll just open up it's your gateway to your trading and your conversion. So it's got a conversion option, so you can just convert from one token to another. You got your Neo assets, so your Neo Gas, FLM, and the FUSD, which is the Flamingo stablecoin. So you can actually trade against stablecoins. USDT. It's also got wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Ethereum. It's got BNB on there as well. So you can instantly convert assets there. Now we've also got a trade option. So the trade option is it's actually very good. It's like I say, it's the same as any other centralized exchange. So you've got your tokens down here, and the order books on the left hand side, and you can actually put your market orders and your limit orders in there. So yeah, it's got all you need from an exchange, to be honest. So let's have a look. You've got your tools down the side here as well, so you can see if you're into your TA, you can have a look and then set your limit orders and your market orders accordingly. So very handy to have. It's got an earn option, so you can yield farming option. So you've got your APR. So like I showed you before, you got that 50% APR, 20% APR, and it's got a nice drop down box for you to check out and decide what you want to farm in. I'll touch on this one in a second. So it's also a lend option. So Flamingo Lend, you can actually borrow stable coins against your crypto. It's a loan to value of 35%. So if you've got assets worth £1,000, you can borrow £350 worth of stable coins, and then you can trade against them and pay it back, and hopefully in profit. We've also got Flamingo Fund. So Flamingo Fund will give you a yield accumulating FLM from the overall usage of the platform. So you can just buy Flum tokens and you'll accumulate the FLM token. So the FLM token is the Flamingo token. So that is widely available on other exchanges as well, FLM. So it's on Binance and whatnot. You can check your earnings if you've got any, and it'll run through some live fees for certain products. So we've got this assets actions box down the bottom corner, and you can access basically all we've talked about, and it just makes it a bit clearer. So you can add liquidity, remove liquidity if you've added it. And we've talked about the lending, and you can buy and sell fund here as well. And then you got your staking assets. So we've also got an option of a pool bonus. So you can receive your bonus APR by allocating your borrowed assets to a pool. So we talked about the borrowing assets, and then you can stick them into a pool, and you can stick them into various pools as well. So you can put 10% in one pool and 20% in another and whatnot. So it's got some great features. What is pretty handy as well, most of these tabs, they do have demonstration videos. So on the lend, if you're unsure of anything, you you can come along and watch the video tutorials, and they'll just send you to YouTube. So that's on quite a few of the tabs. It's got it on the yield farming as well. So it's very handy to have. It's pretty straightforward though if you're used to trading and using the yield farming options. One more thing, I just want to mention the wrapper if I can find it. So we've got an option of wrap and unwrap tokens. So if you do have Ethereum on the Ethereum network, you can come along and connect that, and it'll convert it to wrapped Ethereum on Neo. You can do that. You just select the token, select your account, and open it up, and there you can see you can connect the BNB Smart Chain wallet as well as Ethereum and Ontology wallets. So you can do that not just for Ethereum, you can bring in wrapped Bitcoin as well and trade against them and use the pools, the lending platform, and the earning options. So that's another great reason to head on over to Flamingo Finance. Give it a go. Like I say, it's not just Neo assets, it's got many wrapped assets on there as well. Cheers, guys.